Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll talk about location object in JavaScript. The location object is also a property of top-level window object. The location object contains details on the current page's location. This object also contains information about the current URL of the browser. The most common use of location object is simply to use it to get the current page URL and to redirect the browser to a new page. Let me show you how you can redirect the browser to a new page using the location object. I'll write the window prefix and then I'll access the location object, and then I will simply assign the URL. I'll assign it the Udemy URL. You can access the location object without the window prefix. So by this way, the browser will be redirected to the Udemy website. I will go ahead, I'll save the script. This time I will open or run this script using the live preview feature of brackets editor. I will click on this icon. This will convert this script path into a URL. As you can see, the script has redirected to the Udemy website. I will close this browser. I'll click on the OK. I think there was some error or some message from this live preview icon. So by this way, you can redirect the browser to a new web page. I will comment out this line. You can also get the current page URL using the location.href property. Let me show you how you can get the current page URL. I'll use document.write method to display the current page URL. To get the current page URL, you use the location.href property. This href property will return the current page URL. And as you have seen, I have accessed the location object without the window prefix. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script again, and I'll look for the live preview of this script. Okay, as you can see, the href property has returned the current page URL. This is the URL of this current page. I'll go ahead, I'll close the script again, and unable to load the live preview page. I think this is some error message from this live preview button. I'll go ahead, I'll comment out this line. You can also get the current page host name like google.com, udemy.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com. These are the host name of pages. Let me get the current page host name. I will use document.write method to display the host name. To get the host name, you use the location object and then the host name property. This will return the host name of the current page. I'll go ahead, I'll save the script again. I will click on this live preview. It will open the index.html file inside the browser. I'll wait for a few seconds. Or I think there is some error. Let me check the error. I will inspect. Okay, there is no such error. I will close this window. Let me check if I correctly typed the location object and the host name. I think everything is perfect. Let me check it again. I will click on this live preview icon again. And okay, now it seems working. Sometimes it generates error. Therefore, I have not been using this live preview feature of brackets editor. I think I need to wait. Okay, you can see it returns the host name of this current page. It can be google.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com, but right now it is using the local IP address. Therefore, it returns the host name as an IP address. You can also get the current page path name and web protocol. Let me get the current page path name. To get the path name of current page, you use the location object and then you access the path name property of location object. Now I will also get the current page web protocol. To get the protocol of a current page, you use the location object and then the protocol property of location object. I'll comment out this line of code. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script, and I'll open the index.html file using the live preview feature of brackets editor. As you can see, it has returned the path name. This is the path name of this current page, and this is the web protocol of this current page. It can be simple HTTP protocol, or it can be HTTPS, or it can be also a file protocol. I'll close this script. I think the live preview of this brackets editor is generating some error. I will click on the OK. I will ignore it. Next, I will discuss few methods of location object. I will discuss the assign method of location object. The assign method is used to load the new document. It is same as window.location. I'll write the location method, and then I will use the assign method, and inside these parentheses I will specify the URL to be loaded. I will comment out these two lines. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script. I will open the index.html file. So the script will be redirected to the udemy.com. So it has loaded a new document, which is the Udemy website. I will close this browser. Next, I will use the reload method of location object. The reload method will reload the current web page. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script. I will open the index.html file. So as you can see, it is reloading this web page, and it is continue reloading this web page. You can get the idea from these icons. Next, I will discuss the replace method of location object. The replace method of location object is used to replace the current page URL with the specified URL. I will use the replace method, and inside these parentheses I will specify the URL to be replaced. HTTPS. This time again I will use the udemy.com. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script, and I'll refresh the browser. So you will see that the current URL or the current path is replaced with the udemy.com, and a new document has been opened. I will close this window. So in this video I covered about the location object, how you can use the location object, and how you can get different values or different information about the current page URL, host name, protocol, and how you can redirect pages to new pages.